Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, eating clean, even taking a daily collagen supplement, but your skin is still losing its firmness and your joints still ache? What if I told you that some of our healthiest habits might actually be sabotaging our body's collagen? Or seeing a tired reflection in the mirror that no amount of sleep seems to fix? It just needs the right nourishment. True, lasting collagen doesn't come from a miracle serum. It comes from your kitchen. Let's walk through the 6 most powerful collagen-friendly foods. First is grass-fed gelatin. This simple powder is packed with glycine and proline, the amino acids that form the scaffolding for your skin and joints. Just stir a spoonful into your morning tea or warm lemon water. I recommend grass-fed, unflavored gelatin. Next is bone broth, often called liquid gold. Simmering bones for 12 to 24 hours releases collagen, hyaluronic acid, and minerals. Drink it warm as a morning tonic. Then there are egg whites, simple, affordable, and loaded with proline to support collagen synthesis. For a super boost, pair them with vitamin C-rich veggies like red bell peppers. Fourth is garlic. Just 2 or 3 cloves a day contain sulfur compounds that help prevent collagen breakdown. Let the garlic sit for 10 minutes after chopping it to activate its most powerful compound. Fifth is spirulina. This blue-green algae is a powerhouse of glycine, proline, and coparavital trio for collagen production. A 1/4 teaspoon in a citrus smoothie is all you need. Finally, pumpkin seeds. A 1/4 cup provides nearly half your daily zinc requirement, which is critical for repairing damaged collagen. These changes often begin in our 40s, and collagen loss is the primary culprit. By the time we reach 40, we may have already lost up to 20% of our natural collagen. For women, the hormonal shifts of perimenopause and menopause hit the accelerator on that decline. And collagen isn't just about smooth skin. It's the essential glue for joint comfort, gut health, and even our emotional well-being. Take my client Susan, who was 52. She was doing everything by the book: supplements, clean eating, early nights, but she still felt older than her years. When we looked closely at her diet, the issue was clear. She was missing the key activators her body needed to actually use the collagen, like vitamin C, zinc, and copper. Here's the key takeaway. Simply taking a collagen supplement isn't enough. You have to build the nutritional foundation that allows your body to rebuild itself. A groundbreaking study from UC Davis revealed that after we turn 40, collagen loss speeds up dramatically. If you're feeling tired all the time, if your skin looks dull, if you're having restless nights, or your joints crackle with every move, those aren't just signs of getting older. It's not just because of age, but because of how we eat, sleep, and manage stress. Have you ever had that quiet moment, looking in the mirror and just thinking, what is happening to me? You are not alone. And the good news is, your body has an incredible ability to regenerate, but only if you give it the right tools. I'm Dr. Evelyn Reed, and for over 2 decades, I've worked with incredible women just like you. In this video, I'm going to share 6 powerful, food-based strategies to help you restore your collagen, reclaim your energy, and bring back your natural radiance from the inside out. And you'll want to stick around because in part 5, I'll reveal the single most common mistake 90% of women make when trying to boost their collagen. Have you noticed your skin getting a little thinner? Your joints feeling a bit stiffer? If there's one thing I've learned from working with women over 40, it's that your body is still incredibly capable of healing. So, you're eating the right foods. But collagen doesn't work in isolation. It needs a support system, the dream team. Without them, your body can't turn those healthy foods into firm skin and flexible joints. First is vitamin C. This is the molecular switch. It transforms inactive pro-collagen into the strong, structured collagen your body needs. Think oranges, red peppers, and strawberries. Then comes zinc. This is the repair manager. It regenerates skin and rebuilds damaged collagen. Let's turn this into a simple, powerful 30-day reset. For days 1 to 10, start each morning with warm lemon water and add 1 collagen-rich food to your day like bone broth or egg whites. For days 11 to 20, continue with your collagen food and now add in the support nutrients. A handful of pumpkin seeds for zinc, some citrus for vitamin C, a few cashews for copper. Days 21 to 30, gently reduce added sugars, prioritize your sleep, and introduce 1 small stress-relieving habit like 5 deep breaths before bed. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. My client Linda added zinc-rich pumpkin seeds to her diet, and in 4 weeks, she saw a huge difference. I hope you're leaving not just with information, but with a renewed sense of possibility. Aging isn't the enemy. It's your body asking for deeper care and wiser choices. Collagen isn't just about looking younger. It's about moving through life with more ease, more strength, and more confidence. Start small. You deserve to feel strong. You deserve to feel radiant. It's never too late to begin. Next is copper, essential for binding collagen fibers together, keeping them firm. A few cashews or sunflower seeds are all you need. Then silica. This is the elasticity booster, found in cucumbers and oats, that helps your skin snap back. Finally, you need the amino acids themselves, glycine and proline, the raw building blocks found in egg whites, spinach, and gelatin. When these 5 work together, your collagen thrives. You could be doing everything right and still not seeing results. That's because common, everyday habits can silently undo your progress. Here are the top 5 collagen killers. First, excess sugar. It binds to your collagen in a process called glycation, making it stiff and brittle. Second, poor sleep. Without deep restorative rest, your body can't produce the growth hormone needed to signal collagen repair. Third, chronic stress. High cortisol levels from stress directly slow down collagen formation and accelerate skin thinning. Fourth, UV exposure. Even 10 minutes of unprotected sun exposure breaks down collagen fibers. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable strategy. Finally, toxins. Smoking and environmental pollutants generate free radicals that attack your skin's very structure. Let's be perfectly clear. There is no such thing as plant-based collagen. Collagen is a protein found exclusively in animals. When a product is marketed as vegan collagen, it contains the nutrients your body needs to produce its own collagen, like vitamin C, zinc, and amino acids. That's not a bad thing, but it's crucial to be an informed consumer. Vegan collagen support is absolutely possible, but it requires a consistent and intelligent combination of the right foods like chia seeds, tofu, pumpkin seeds, and spinach. Don't fall for the hype. Build your foundation wisely. Knowledge is one thing, but action is everything. Made it to the end.